Hello, and welcome back to another amazing tutorial from the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this one, I'll be showing you how to download the Crackle TV app using Unlinked. If you find value in this presentation, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now, I'll like you to use your TV remote and navigate onto the Unlinked app. Click on it to get in. When you're in, you're going to be visited with Add a New Library. Click Add New Library. And now you have to put in the library code. The library code we're going to be using for this tutorial is Fire Stick. So type it in exactly as you see, FIRSTICK, and click on the enter button. Now when you're in, click enter on the welcome page and you'll be able to scroll down, navigate until you find the apps you're looking for. We're looking for Crackle TV. Click on Crackle TV to get in and download. Now when you've launched the download button, be patient because it will take you a couple of seconds to maybe a minute, depending on your network and internet connectivity speed. After downloading, you'll find the install button. Automatically, it will prompt you to install the application. So you just hit install app and you have the Crackle TV app installed directly on your Android TV, TV box, Google TV, or any device you are downloading this from running an Android operating system. If you found value in this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.